皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Today we are mastering 3 look-alike words learners mix up all the time. こんな、そんな、あんな。They mean like this or that. But the nuance changes with distance and involvement. I will show you when and how to use each one with real-life examples. So grab your notebook and let's get started. First, the big picture. こんな means like this, something close to me, the speaker. My side, my situation. Something I'm holding, wearing, feeling, or just mentioned from my perspective. そんな means like that, something close to you, the listener, your side, your situation, or reacting to what you just said or did. あんな means like that over there, which used for things far from both speaker and the listener, or removed in space, time, or involvement, like distant object, past events, or third-party situations. How to use them? All three go right before a noun, like こんな服、そんな車、あんな機能。You can add adjectives before a noun to modify the whole noun phrase, like こんなかわいい服、そんな安い車、あんな便利な機能。They can also stand alone as pronoun with no, like こんなの、そんなの、あんなの。Let's see these words in real-life examples. When I describe my thing, my feeling, or my current situation, use こんな。こんな綺麗な景色、毎日見れたら最高だね。こんな綺麗な景色、毎日見れたら最高だね。こんな感じのアパートを探しています。こんな感じのアパートを探しています。こんなの初めて食べた。こんなの初めて食べた。こんな感じ？こんな感じ。Use そんな for the listener's idea or something listener just said or did. そんな言い方しないでよ。そんな言い方しないでよ。そんなことで喧嘩したの？そんなことで喧嘩したの？そんなの気にしなくていいよ。そんなの気にしなくていいよ。そんな気がする。そんな気がする。We also say そんな as a common reaction like no way or come on. Use あんな for distant object, third-party stories or memories. あんなかっこいい人が彼氏だったらな。あんなかっこいい人が彼氏だったらな。あんなのデマだよ。あんなのデマだよ。将来あんな風になりたい。将来あんな風になりたい。あんなところまた行きたいね。あんなところまた行きたいね。 We often use the ni forms like こんなに、そんなに、あんなに。こんなに means this much. From the speaker's immediate perspective. そんなに means that much. Tied to the listener or to what the listener just said or did. あんなに means that much. For something distant, past, or third-party scale. Let's look at some examples. こんなに運動したの久しぶり。こんなに運動したの久しぶり。そんなに心配しなくて大丈夫だよ。そんなに心配しなくて大丈夫だよ。あんなに勉強したらそりゃ受かるよ。あんなに勉強したらそりゃ受かるよ。That's it for today's lesson. Now you know exactly when to use こんな、そんな、あんな。If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you like to see in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた